Hey, I'm Greg.
I'm Nick.
And we're with Outdoor Goyo. We're here to do a video on the Nano Puff Jacket by Patagonia.
Been around, it's one of their flagship products. Patagonia started in about 2010, and actually I'm wearing a jacket from right around that very first era when they started coming out.
Classic.
And the craziest thing, as you can see, Greg got one hot off the press last year. Basically the same thing.
Yeah.
Now we do have two different varieties on. Greg's got the hooded full zip jacket, and I have got the pullover quarter zip jacket.
Yeah, very similar, but they both come with the polyester shell. It has a DWR, which is double water resistance coating on there. So it is semi-water resistant. That does wear off over time with most jackets, but it's in there. It has a synthetic insulation, which is pretty clutch, and you've had that jacket for a long time, so.
Yeah. 10 years going, and this thing is just keeping me as warm as a brand new one.
Yeah,
That says a lot.
I think that this temperature rating would be around the 60s all the way down to the 30s. And if you want to get into those lower temperatures, it's so easy to just put a base layer underneath this, throw a shell on top, and you can go skiing easily with this jacket.
Very versatile jacket.
Yeah.
Very packable.
It's very packable. In fact, let's show them. Where's your pack zip?
My pack zip is right here. The quarter zips have it out front.
Yeah.
And this thing is like the Mary Poppins suitcase of pockets. This thing is huge. You can fit like anything in here. It's insane.
Mine is on this side here on the inside, and they both pack up about the same. Mine has the extra hood.
Still fits.
It still fits. Packs up super small. Boom. That's it. Fits in its own little pocket. And take that out. It's very, very easy to bring with you. Let's talk about pricing.
This is one of our Goyo pick of the litter. That means it's not quite at the cheapest price point, but we do feel like this is a showcase product that is going to last a very long time.
Yeah. See, he's still wearing it.
That's
10 years later.
10 years on. Greg has got the full zip with the hood. That retails at around $250. They have the full zip without the hood, which is around $200.
And then you're wearing the quarter zip, which is around $170. And then they also have a sleeveless vest, which is about $150.
That's right.
So yeah, you got a pretty wide range there. And I think it varies based on your size a little bit and
so,
gender.
That's right.
Yeah. So
it's a good investment. Keep you warm for a long time.
Yeah.
Decades, perhaps.
yeah, and let's look at some of your patches.
That's
So
right.
You can keep this thing going. Nick has
This
patches
thing is
all over his jacket to keep this thing alive. They have over time double reinforced these seams, but you can see that yeah, Nick's just kept it alive.
Just
really
keep those patches handy. Not that you need them all that often, because this jacket has been run extremely hard.
Yeah.
Extremely hard.
And Patagonia is all about that. So if you do have some stitching coming out or something's wrong with the jacket, just send it back. They want these things to live a long, long life, and that's why they make them tough right out of the gate.
That's right. Now, I personally have not sent this jacket back. I've just done these patches myself, because usually I'm out in the bush and we got little patches in the back there. Either way, you can keep patching it, keep going. There's great products out there. Probably plenty of them on the Goyo site you can look up.
Yeah.
So,
Cool.
good to know. Yep.
Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll put all of the description and the links below, so check that out. With that, Outdoor Goyo
Out.
Yes.